Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sabrina Lowery, the Tech Evangelist. This is your call to join us on Sunday, February 27th at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time for the second masterclass of Build Your Business Like a Boss. In this masterclass series for 2022, I have prepared several key systems, processes, checklists, and to dos that are guaranteed to make you successful as an entrepreneur in your businesses. So, all you have to do is go to buildyourbusinesslikeaboss.com. You can also enroll in the Geek Tank Academy for free. You will get access to the replay of the masterclass session one. You will also get access to a 30-minute technical support and strategy session with yours truly. So here's your chance. Don't miss this opportunity. It is surely to sell out. The Zoom room will be on and popping. So be sure, set your calendars, turn on your reminders, go and register. This is not the time to procrastinate. This is the time to make it happen. And I'm looking forward to seeing you live on February 27th at 6:30, where we will have the second masterclass of Build Your Business Like a Boss. I will be teaching you how to get on Google, all things Google Workspace, and you will receive up to $500 in Google AdWords credit. But you got to be there in order to get those promotion codes and access to your free trial on Google. Ladies and gentlemen, there's no better time than the present. So I don't want you to meet me there. I want you to beat me there on February 27th. Again, this is the Build Your Business Like a Boss Masterclass. My name is Sabrina Lowery. They call me the Tech Evangelist because I know a thing or two about tech. Ladies and gentlemen, build your business like a boss.com, and then be sure to join our exclusive VIP community on Facebook. The Bib Lab, BYBLAB, stands for Build Your Business Like a Boss. See you soon and make it a great day. Thank you.